Marcellia. I'm a Bachelor of Science student majoring in Pharmacology and Physiology. As part of my science degree, I also undertook a science internship unit where I was placed as a biochemistry intern in a food and flavor manufacturing company. I was able to get a first-hand experience working in an actual company doing actual science jobs and science tasks. My role as a biochemistry intern in the research and development sector comprised mostly of formulation as well as troubleshooting the formulas and doing quality control procedures. Right now, I'm currently in the process of applying for a graduate program, and my confidence in both my skills and professionalism has definitely increased. It wasn't exactly what my major was, it was still really good for me to be equipped with my scientific skills as well as my professionalism skills, and I was able to know more about what I want to do in the future. The unit itself prepared you with a lot of modules where you get to be equipped into the workforce. If you're considering doing a work integrated learning unit here at Monash, I would definitely recommend it. Apply early and be alert in your emails, your communications, so that in case you need to do anything, you're well prepared. Don't be scared, go for it, because the science internship is very valuable and you'll learn a lot of things that the classrooms will be able to teach you otherwise.